I'm Manjunath. I'm from Ace Designers, Turning Center Division. I'd like to introduce our SHA20 Magna machine, which comes with 5 axes at main spindle side X1, Y1, Z1, at sub spindle side X2 and Z2. This machine is having 2 spindles with oil cooled headstock. Like main spindle is having the power of 3.7 5.5 kilowatt. Sub spindle is having the power of 2.2 3.7 kilowatt. This machine basically comes with a bar feeder. Here it is the bar feeder. The raw material will be fed from the bar feeder and it will be continuously pushing from the main spindle side, and then main spindle side operation will be taken place. Once the operation is over at main spindle side, it will be transferred to the sub spindle, and the every operation will be completed at in one setup, and final output will be taken from this our ejector. This machine is equipped with total 21 tools. In that, total 4 are live tools as a standard, but in this machine we have supplied total 8 live tools because of the medical segment. Like back rotary tool is required to do the components like bone screws and all, and also this machine comes with the 0 ITF controller with dual path controller. And in this machine we have machined some of the components. These components will be used in aero domain and electrical and electronics domain and medical segment and automotive, in general engineering.